Well, you know, I mean, I guess, you know, Einstein says that space and time are the same thing. And,
You're not skeptical about that?
well, I mean, I guess it's hard to prove, you know, but it does sound, you know, like, you know, with the reading I've done about quantum mechanics and, you know, and all of his theories, his gravitational theory, and you know, it sounds out there, but it sounds, the logic is sound at, you know, a point, and perhaps you're not pushing against anything when you're traveling through space, but space is moving around you, you know,
how do you
and you're
propel
stationary.
yourself? Where are you going? How do you steer? How do you steer in a vacuum? Like, how does that happen? You can steer in water, we can steer in an airplane, right? We can use a boat and it has a rudder.
Well, I don't know, I guess just once they get momentum going up the planet, then that momentum, I can't quote right now.
I don't want you to. No, I just want you to think logically.
Like a force, like an object in motion stays in motion. It's one of his theories. So like you get something going, and once you're out there in space, it just keeps going at that rate.
Okay. So you have to have, like, if, for example, if we're propelling ourselves from Earth to Mars, you have to be on point. Because if you're off 0.0000, like 20 zeros and 1, if you're off that from Earth to Mars, you're going to end up elsewhere, right? So, I mean, you have to be exact if you're going to use the length, if you're going to use math.